Today we're looking at the ToughBuilt Scraper Utility Knife. Looking at part number TB-54S5-01. It's a very interesting looking tool. Like how it busted open. It's 2-in-1. It's a scraper and a utility knife in one. But there's also an additional feature that I consider to be 3-in-1 that we're going to see as soon as you open it, so that you can make an informed decision if this is a tool you want to add to your tool chest. First thing we want to do is look at some of the specifications before we take a closer look at it. The ToughBuilt Scraper Utility Knife is an innovative 2-in-1 tool that chooses from a utility knife to a scraper with a single press of the thumb. It's made of aluminum and zinc. It's 1.23 inches in length, 4.92 inches in width, and 11.5 inches in height. And it weighs 1 pound, which is not bad. It's not the lightest utility knife, but it's not the heaviest. So at this moment, let's take a closer look. So let's take a closer look at this utility knife. A very unique utility knife indeed. Well, utility slash scraper. It's 2-in-1. So as you can see there, the slider, there's a little small push button on it, and it slides very smoothly, and the mechanism works perfectly, switching back and forth, and then you can retract the blade right back into the body once it's in the utility mode. And at the end of it, there's a paint can opener. So that's why I was saying earlier, I think it's a 3-in-1 tool. I don't know why they advertise it as 2-in-1 or a scraper utility knife. I think it's a paint opener tool, and that is a tool. Anyhow, the handle is very, very grippy. It's a very nice rubber. Doesn't feel like it will slip out of your hand even if it's wet. The mechanism works smooth, as I said before, and there's a little small yellow button to push to release the blade. And it's a little difficult to take out, but it comes out eventually. You gotta get accustomed to it. And if you look at the blade, this is a tough blade. This is not your ordinary utility knife blade. And the difference in it is the little slot, as you can see there, and that's how the mechanism works. So let me compare it to an ordinary utility knife blade, if I can get it out. And yeah, alright, that's it. Now if you look at it, it's the exact same size, same dimensions. The only difference is that little hole, and I'm going to show you why that is a little problem. That's a big problem, but a little problem. You can put the blade into the knife very easily. As a matter of fact, easier than the original blade. But watch what happens when you try to open it. You see it wiggling around, and the blade won't stay because it doesn't have the little slot. So you can't use ordinary blades with it. That means you have to buy blades from ToughBuilt. Well, I don't really see that as an issue. Most companies do it, and it's a unique design, and therefore for the mechanism to work, you have to use their blades. It comes with 5 blades, and you can also buy blades locally. You could also import blades if you want. So it's not a big deal. And putting back the blade is as easy as taking it out. Just push the little yellow tab, and you push the blade back in. It locks back into the little slot. As you can see, you can't pull it out, and that's the advantage of the little mechanism. So that is the review of the blade. I'm going to take it outside and do some little field tests, and we'll be back. Struggling to cut that. I think it's a really cool knife. I think it's a knife that I could personally recommend the mechanism works perfectly. Once you push the button up, it slides very smoothly, and the switch over from scraper to knife is flawless. It's not that big, fits in your pocket very comfortably, and I think it's a knife that most tradesmen will like, whether you're a carpenter, a painter, if you're a general handyman, you're just a tool enthusiast, you'll love this tool. This tool is a really cool tool, well built, well designed, and well priced too. I think it's 30 US, which is about 240 plus tax, about 250. So if you're interested in this tool, just leave a comment and I'll guide you to where you can get one. So that was the ToughBuilt review. Thanks for watching. Look at oh, Boga, that's so by us. To the other way, don't cut. I see inside the paper.
No, you're cutting it?
No, cut the back side of the paper. It's cut.
Yeah, you want to cut?
Right, there's full and then cut it back. Alright, that's it. But you hand the glove properly, right?